He is sly.
What happened here?
Hello everyone. It's me, Thomas. Today we will watch an episode of Thomas and Friends. We got a Boco and a magic carpet. Enjoy!
What happened here?
Where are the freight cars?
That is oil from a diesel. Go and find it.
Yes.
Yes.
Quickly, Ben. I am behind you. Keep going this way.
Yes.
Quickly. We will get them soon. Oh no.
What happened?
What is happening here?
Our freight cars.
Let's go.
It is him.
Let's go back.
He is sly.
What happened here?
What happened here?
Where did these freight cars come from?
Be careful, Bill.
We got you. Our freight cars.
Give them back.
Get out of my way. It is Boco, a new diesel.
Hi, Boco.
Oh no! We can do it together.
You are very strong, Boco. You too.
A magic carpet.
Hurry up. I will not wait for long here.
Percy, take the carpet to the theater. Alicia Botti will sing there tonight.
Yes, sir. Could this carpet be magical?
Yeah, right.
Could this carpet be magical?
Say abracadabra.
Why does it move like that? Oh no. I did not say anything. Why does it do this?
What is that?
What?
It's a haunted carpet.
Why are you doing that?
What is that?
I can't stop. Where did this carpet come from?
Thomas, stop.
Oh no. Hold on tight.
Why are you doing that? Abracadabra. Abracadabra.
Percy, be quiet and help me. Wow, oh, look at that.
Yes, I did it.
Hold on tight.
Oh no. Stop. Stop.
Wow. Standing on a freight car. You are genius.
I know, Alicia Botti, I know.
Bye bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.